Here's some more data on plant-based diets and chronic disease risk. This prospective cohort study included over 126,000 participants from the UK who were recruited between 2006 and 2010 and followed up until 2021. The researchers collected information on their lifestyles, health history, and dietary intake and scored their diets on the Healthy Plant-Based Diet Index and the Unhealthy Plant-Based Diet Index. A high Healthy Plant-Based Diet Index score reflects a diet rich in healthy plant foods like fruits, veggies, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, and low in both animal foods and less healthy plant foods like sodas and potato chips. While a high Unhealthy Plant-Based Diet Index score reflects a diet rich in those less healthy plant foods and lower in animal foods and healthier plant foods. Those with the highest Healthy Plant-Based Diet Index scores had a 16% lower risk of all-cause mortality, or in other words, a 16% lower risk of dying during the study period, compared to those with the lowest scores. They also had a 7% lower risk of being diagnosed with cancer, an 8% lower risk of cardiovascular disease, 16% lower risk of ischemic stroke, and a 14% lower risk of suffering a heart attack. High Unhealthy Plant-Based Diet Index scores, on the other hand, were associated with a higher risk of each of those outcomes, as well as a higher risk of dying due to cancer compared to those with low scores. So when it comes to plant-based diets, diet quality is really important. And they also found that in those with a genetically high risk of cardiovascular disease, shifting towards more healthier plant foods may help reduce that risk.